Our development roadmap is very clear over the next 2 to 4 years. The whole program we are forecasting to cost about $10 million in 3 just about equal installments of $3.3 million per year over the next 3 years. This year, we're targeting to complete the generation of preclinical small molecule inhibitors and the development of in vitro target engagement assays. In years 2 to 3, we'll be able to provide feasibility data for the nanobody-based therapeutics. Finally, in years 3-4, we will use the funding to complete preclinical examination and submission of our IND to the FDA for our phase 1 clinical trials, where we expect the interest of big pharma to be extremely high. Each of the development milestones, roughly on a yearly basis, will be key value inflection milestones where our investors should expect significant growth in their investments. Hopefully, I've been able to convince you to invest in this important journey for sufferers of MS and AD, while having the potential to be rewarded handsomely with superior returns on your investment. Thank you very much.